Okay. Wait a second. Wait. Okay. I put fresh oil, power steering oil, and right now the color turns right. Okay, give some gas. Now try to turn right with some gas. Left. Okay, that's it, stop. If anyone can help me with it, it's a Dodge Ram 2500 2006. This is the engine. Already replaced this hose over here. Replace the cooler over here. Connected it. But I'm still experiencing problems with the power steering. It doesn't work and it causes a lot of noise. If anyone encounters with the same problem, I'll be happy to receive some kind of guidance regarding how to fix it and what needs to be replaced. I think maybe it's the power steering cam or something, because it's causing so much noise when I'm trying to turn the wheel. So any help will be appreciated. Thank you. Have a good one.